Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally today I decided to do a look using Morphe by James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist palette. So I just sat down with this palette and I really wanted to do a holiday look, so this is what I came up with. If you guys want to see how to recreate it, please keep watching. So I'm just going to start by making sure my eyelids have no creases and setting that with Huda Beauty's Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Banana Bread. So I'm just going to grab my Huda Beauty Face Conceal and Blend brush. I'm just going to make sure there are no creases at all. And then taking my Morphe S27 fluffy brush, I'm going to pick up some of that powder. And just make sure my eyes are set all the way up to the brow bone. So today for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe by James Charles palette. And I'm going to start by going in with Code James. I'm going to take this color on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 fluffy blending brush. And this is just going to be my transition shade. I just like to do circles, blending circles so I get to the outer corner, just so there's no harsh line over there. I gotta put my hair up. This is crazy. And if you created any lines between that color and your brow bone, go ahead and take that brush you used to set your lids with and blend them out. So next I'm gonna be going in with Your Kidding. And I'm gonna be using my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH36 blending brush. I'm getting that right below Code James. And getting that in your outer V as well. I'm also going to go back in with Code James and make sure there's a transition between Your Kidding and Code James. And then using that fluffy brush to just make sure the shadow didn't go too far. And now I'm going to deepen that up a little bit using Boutique. And I'm going to take that on my Morphe S20 pencil brush. And just packing that in my outer V. And blending that upward. Going back in with that red. So I'm going to go in with this Morphe S12 brush and just pack in that Boutique a little bit more. And then using that pencil brush again, picking up Your Kidding and blending it out. So next I'm going to be going in with Shook, and I'm just going to take that on my finger because it's a metallic shadow. They always go on better with your finger. And I'm going to pack it in to the outer corner, but then also bringing it in and down. So it doesn't go on the top half, it'll go on the bottom. If you know what I mean. As if you were blending it in an eyeliner type of shape. Then I'm going to go in with Ringlight, and I'm going to mix that from my inner corner to the middle of my lid. And I'm going to basically be mixing them in the middle. And I'm going to take this tiny little Sigma shader inner corner brush. This is the E46. And I'm going to pick up some of that gold, the Ringlight, and kind of draw a cut crease. I'm just mixing those colors. now I'm going to be going with MAC's Liquidlast liner, and this is in Naked Bond. It's a really pretty golden color. And it has a super thin brush, so I'm just going to take it and outline like a cut crease. I'm going to go back in with that Boutique. So using my JH39 pencil brush, going under my eyes, I'm going to be going in with You're Kidding, the bright red. Then I'm going to be going in with Boutique, right on the lash line as well. And then taking that Morphe S20 pencil brush and blending it out with Code James. For my inner corner, I'm going to go back in with Ringlight. On that same inner corner shader brush. And I'm also going to use this color for my brow bone. So now for lashes, I'm going to be going in with Luxy Lash in Damn Gina. So I'm going to grab that JH39 pencil brush that I was using for under my eyelid and grab just a little bit of Spooky, and I'm just going to run that through my lashes, kind of like I would a kohl liner. But this is just easier for me. Make sure to get the inner corner just so the lash line doesn't look like it randomly starts. And then grabbing an eyeliner brush. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills A28 eyeliner brush. Grabbing a little bit more of that Spooky and just going over the lash line. Just to make sure no glue or anything is hanging out. Now for mascara, I'm going to be going into Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. So now for my bronzer, I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's Bronze Sand Edition. And I'm going to be going in with Aruba. I'm going to be taking this on my Bow Bell B4 brush. I want this to be sort of glowy. Then for my blush, I'm going to be going in with Bora Bora. And I'm going to take this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. And then going in with Maldives as my highlight. And I'm going to be using my Too Faced highlighter brush. And I'm also going to use this for my nose. And my Cupid's bow. Now lastly for my lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with Brick by MAC and going in with Huda Beauty's New Year's Eve metallic lipstick. And I'm possibly going over it with this Morphe lip topper in Bewitched. I'm not 100% sure about that yet, but let's see how this turns out. And now topping it with Morphe's lip topper. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Hopefully you guys enjoy this holiday look. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.